Hi, I'm Nia, and today we're gonna unbox some BTS packages, even though I said that I wouldn't unbox so many, but I just had to unbox these. It is the new Samsung Galaxy S20 BTS Edition, so that's gonna be pretty exciting, I think. Firstly, okay, we got the wireless charger. It looks like this, and let's see if I can open this. Wow. This looks awesome. And now I shall open this one. It's a bit thicker than the other one. This part is always really scary because I don't want to damage the packaging because it's so pretty. It has those 7 little hearts on them. So one for each member. It just slides out like that. And then you got the logo on it. Super pretty packaging. And here's the phone. My gosh. Oh. And it's super pretty. Look, it's like it shifts color. There's also a purple heart on the camera lens as well. Wow. Ah! I believe in your galaxy. Oh, this is my favorite color ever. In this box you also get a normal charger. It seems like, I think, or not. Maybe not. Why do things always tend to fall out when I unbox things? Oh yeah, it's a normal charger as well in here. That's good. So normally I'm not that kind of person who just tend to buy new phones just because they're new. But I did crack my screen on this one, the S7 one. So I figured I might as well. And also, as you guys probably know, I do love BTS, so I figured when they drop a new cell phone, I should probably buy it. If I'm gonna buy a new cell phone anyway. This is the next package. It's a bit broader, not as tall. It also comes down like this. And this huge package is just for the buds. Oh, this is so exciting! Whoa! This is honestly the cutest thing. It says, "I purple you," and that's what they usually say to their fans. And we have a purple heart in here. Another tiny package. Honestly, there's so many packages in this. It's absolutely crazy. Okay. And we have another one. But this one is shinier. It looks like this. I've never actually worn buds, and I don't know how easy it is to lose them, but I hope it isn't. I'm gonna try one on. Whoa, whoa, something happened. Whoa. 대박. Sorry. Oh, I don't know if you can see this. I can't see this, like, obviously. Let's see. I like them. I think they can... I think they'll be able to stay pretty well in my ears. Hopefully. I do... Whoa! I can't get used to that sound in my ears when I touch them. I'm not really sure how they work just yet. I'm still a noob when it comes to earbuds. It's kind of like a magnet that puts them in place. So that's neat. I'm used to these kind of headphones still, and I do use them, but usually I just wear them when I stay at home and use them on my computer. Okay, I don't want to sound stupid, but I really don't know what this is. Buds cover. Oh, okay, but how do... Oh! Okay, so I thought it was what it is, but I couldn't get them in the first time. How do I get it to stick though? This is difficult. Oh, come on. Okay, I still don't quite get how I will get this to stick. But it's so pretty because it's BTS and their little logo on this, so that's nice. There's a tiny package. This was worth the money, to be honest. The thing with this is that it was only 100 phones released in the Nordic countries, and it all sold out within an hour, and I was one of the first to get one, and I'm super happy about that. So, and this is what BTS are known for, sending with everything. Every merch, everything. It's photo cards. So, we got photo cards of the boys wearing the buds. So this is Namjoon. And then we have Jin. And then we have Suga. J-Hope. Jimin. Taeyong. Jungkook. And that's everyone. This is kind of nice. They have like a matte finish, so they don't get fingerprints on them. Actually, the same goes with the cell phone. It also has this matte finish, so that's great. I just found these as well. They were hidden in the package. It's a clear case and stickers that I can put on the phone or the case if I want to. And I also got another one of these. Okay, and we got another Namjoon, another Jin, another Suga, another J-Hope, our ball of sunshine, another Jimin, another Taeyang, and another Jungkook. So these are super cute. I can't wait to put these on my phone. It's gonna look awesome. Because I was gonna order one of these anyway, because I don't want to cover up the really awesome, beautiful backside of the phone. I think that was it, if I don't keep finding more stuff. Okay, so that was my Samsung Galaxy S20 BTS Edition unboxing, and I hope you liked it. Well, everything looks great. I was gonna do another unboxing. I probably will make at least 2, maybe 3 more BTS unboxing, because I have gotten some new merch and I kind of want to show it to you guys, even though I wasn't planning to do a lot of unboxing videos, but since I already got them and I haven't opened them yet, I just wanted to open it on camera so I can show you guys what it contains, because there's always so much stuff in it. It's crazy. Yeah. So leave a like if you enjoyed it. You can subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye!